Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel DNA.12 Education. This time we are going to discuss a new topic. In mathematics, the topic is set. Let's start studying about set. Everyone, what is set? Okay. Set is collection of data with a certain property in common. For example, set of fruits is grape, orange, mango, etc. What about set notation? Set notation consists of capital letter, curly bracket, and separated by comma. So A equal grape, comma, orange, mango, etc. And then universal set, a set that contains everything. Okay, now we talk about the proper subset. Proper subset is A is a proper subset of B if and only if every element in A is also in B, and there exists at least one element in B that is not in A. Look at the picture. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and B only 1, 2, 3. So we can say this one B proper subset A. Next, about subset. A is a subset of B if and only if every element in A is also in B. Look at the symbol below. Set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and set B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same, right? So we call this one A subset B or B subset A. Next, even more notations about set. Element, not element, not subset, union set means set of all elements in the collection, and intersection set means the containing of elements of A that also belong to B. And the last, null set. Intersection and union set. Look at the diagram. Set A, set B, and intersection. So A intersection B. Union set. Set A, set B. Set A combined to set B. So we can write A union B. Next topic. We have to know what is type of numbers, because any numbers. Natural numbers, integers, rational numbers, and irrational numbers. You can write the definition on the screen. The another type numbers is another type of numbers. Square numbers, surd, prime numbers, and real numbers. Please read it carefully and try to remember. Okay, good. Okay everyone, now our time to do the practice. Practice now. Okay, hello everyone. Today I want to discuss and explain about problem solving. The topic is about set. Yeah. Okay, the question number one. Let the universal set is 1 until 8. Universal set 1 until 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then set K multiple of 4. K multiple of 4. So when we go to universal set, so K is 4 and 8 only, right? Because multiple of 4. Automatically only 4 and 8. And then L. L is odd numbers. So respect to the universal set, odd number is 1, 3, 5, and 7, right? Okay, 1, 3, 5, and 7. The question is draw a Venn diagram to show the given information. Okay, now we're going to Venn diagram. Okay, Venn diagram. When we go to the Venn diagram, check first, check is there A intersection B or A union B? Okay, when we go to the A intersection B, means K intersection L, because the symbol set that we are discussing is K and L. So it means K intersection L is empty set. Yeah, empty set. No element. So what about A union B? K union L. So when we go to K union L, so the list of K union L is 1, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Okay. When we go to the K intersection L, means null set or there's no element. So the Venn diagram for both set K and L is separated. So this is the Venn diagram. Because both K and L no intersection. So we have to draw like this, separated set. Yeah, free set. So K is 4 and 8, and then L 1, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, and then outer of the both set K and L, there is 2 out. Okay. And then there is 6, right? Now we're going to list all the elements respect to the universal set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Complete, right? So this is the Venn diagram. So based on the information in the Venn diagram, we can find that A union B, number of A intersection B is 0. Number of A union B, okay, we can list it, okay, list. And now start to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 elements. So number of A intersection B is null element. That's the element. And then number of A union B is 6 element. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you. Okay, the next question is, the universal set is red, green, blue, yellow, black, white, and purple. And set S is blue, black, and yellow. And set T, yellow, red, white, and purple. Okay, to solve this question and try to draw in the Venn diagram, you have to understand and check first, is there A intersection B or A union B? Okay, the first step 1. Step 1 is S intersection T. Is there S intersection T? When we go to set S and T, the intersection go to yellow. Right? Go to yellow. So S intersection T is yellow. Okay, I think that's clear. Okay, and then go to number 2. So what about number 2? S union T. Okay, S union T, I think for S union T is blue, and then black, and then yellow, and then red. Sorry, yellow twice, submitted, but you have to list only one. And then white and purple. Okay, that is union T. So, based on the description of the listed on the whiteboard, we can draw the Venn diagram. Because S intersection T, there is one element, so the Venn diagram is like this. Right? Okay, so that is the Venn diagram. So, what about yellow? Yellow is here. Yellow. Okay? Okay. And then for set S, out of yellow is blue and black. Blue and black. Right? Set S. And set T. Out of set T, out of yellow for set T is red, white, and purple. Red, white, and purple. I think that's clear. So we name this one set T. Okay, I think that's clear. So for the completing the Venn diagram, we can write here universal set, and out of S and T, out of blue, black, yellow, red, white, and purple. When we go to universal set, out of S union T is, okay, we're going to take it. Oh yeah, that's correct. Green. Okay, that's right. Green. So out of S and T is green. We have to write here. Green. Okay, now we're going to check all the elements for the universal set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's correct. Complete, right? So this is the Venn diagram for the question S intersection T, and then how to draw it in the Venn diagram like this. Thank you. Okay, welcome again to my topic about set. Today I want to explain about how to understand a Venn diagram. Okay, you can see the Venn diagram on the whiteboard. So I want to explain it one by one, how to understand, how to read the Venn diagram. Okay, you can see the Venn diagram on the whiteboard. Okay, there is set X and there is set Y. Set X and set Y. Okay, from this Venn diagram, we can list the universal set. Universal set means all the elements inside Venn diagram. Okay, universal set means all elements inside a Venn diagram. Okay, from the Venn diagram on the whiteboard, we can list the Venn diagram for the universal set is. Remember, you have to list it from the smallest. 12, and then 13, and then 14, and then 15, and then here 16, and then is that 17? Yes, 17, and then is that 18? Yes, 18. Is that 19? Here 19. Is that 20? Oh yes, 20. What about 10 to 1? Yes, 21. Okay, so this is the universal set. Now you're going to check how many elements for all universal set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Complete. There are 10 elements. Okay. Now we're going to set X. Set X means all the elements inside X. Set X. Only X. This one. In the circle X. Inside circle X. Okay, so set X is 12. Here. And then 15. And then 17. From the smallest first. 17. And then 18, and then 20, and the last is 21. Okay, so that is set X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Complete. Now we go to set Y. Set Y. Okay, set Y. Here. Set Y. 13. And then 17. And then 20 and 21. Okay. For one, I want to emphasize once again, you have to list the elements of set from the smallest to the biggest one. Okay? Now you're going to X intersection. This is the intersection. Intersection. Intersection set means both elements have the same element. The intersection will go to in the middle of the Venn diagram. That means X and Y have the same element. Okay? So this is the intersection. So the intersection is 17, 20, and 21. Okay. That's clear, right? So what about X union Y? X union Y means all element X, okay, plus all element Y. Okay, you have to combine X and Y, okay? X and Y. X is here, and this one is Y. X is here, and this one is Y. You have to combine all, okay? Please list from the smallest one, okay? Start from 12, right? 12, and then here 13, and then 15, and then 17, and then 18, and then 20, and the last is 21. Okay, now we're going to check it. Is it correct or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Complete. Okay, I think that's complete, right? About the Venn diagram description. Okay. Next, what about number of element? Number of X intersection Y equal 1, 2, 3. 3 element. 3 element. Okay. And then number of X union Y. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 elements. Okay, 7 elements. Okay, that's clear. That's the way how to understand the Venn diagram. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today I want to explain again about how to set Venn diagram. Okay, on my whiteboard there are 4 Venn diagrams. I want to explain it one by one how to set Venn diagram. Okay everyone. Number 1, A union B. A union B. A union B means all elements set A and all elements set B will be combined. So you have to combine all elements A and B all together. Okay, so the setting of the Venn diagram for A union B is like this one. You have to set all the area in A union B. So all inside. We call that A union B. Okay, number 2. So what about A intersection B? A intersection B means set A and set B have the same element. Once again, set A and set B have the same element. So the same element in the Venn diagram will be described in the middle of the both Venn diagram. So A intersection B is this one. Okay, yeah, it's clear, right? Okay, go to number 3. A union B complement. A union B complement. Okay, everyone, I want to explain first what is complement. Complement means out of A union B. So you have to say all the area out of A union B. Okay, as listed above, A union B is all the area A and B. So A union B complement means out of A and B. Out of A and B. Out of A and B. So the area of A union B complement is out of A and B. So out of A and B. Okay? Is it clear? A union B complement means out of A and B. Next, number 4. A intersection B complement. As listed above, A intersection B is in the middle because set A and set B have the same element. But for this case, A intersection B complement means out of the middle. So you have to set all the elements out of the middle. This one. Yeah. Yeah. So the empty one only the middle. Okay, they are right in the middle of A and B only. So A intersection B complements mean like this. Is it clear? Thank you.
QPC from John Paul School, and I will start my 7th grade this year. I've joined QPC course since January 2020 with Mr. Jasper as my course tutor. Mr. Jasper did not only teach me the proper techniques of both maths and mathematica, but he teach me how to learn independently and how to stick into a problem to find ways of solving it. The course materials were good and it's based on my school curriculum. And the mentor approaching is also good. During the pandemic of COVID-19, we studied via the internet and it's also good. And I think Mr. Jasper is very good and it's a solid course. I learned a lot. Thanks, sir.
Hai, nama saya Cassius Nathanael. Saya adalah seorang siswa kelas 6 SD Penabur Harapan Indah Bekasi. Les di Bimbel QPC sangat menyenangkan karena konsepnya fun learning. Cara mengajarnya pun asik dan tidak membosankan. Selama les di Bimbel QPC, saya menjadi lebih mudah untuk mengerjakan soal-soal matematika. Karena di sini kita akan diberikan rumus-rumus jitu yang mudah dipelajari. Oke? Salam.
Halo, salam pelajar. Nama saya Pascual Clayton. Saya siswa Kolese Canisius angkatan 21. Saya di sini untuk memberi testimoni saya mengenai proses belajar saya di QPC selama masa karantina lockdown ini. Pertama, jelas belajarnya jadi lebih susah karena harus belajar online. Namun, saya berterima kasih mempunyai QPC untuk membimbing saya melewati perjalanan belajar online saya. Saya sama sekali belum familiar dengan proses belajar online. Saya sangat perlu bimbingan dan saya berterima kasih akan adanya QPC di situ untuk membimbing saya. Nilai saya pun akhirnya berhasil kekejar. Nilai saya yang 60 menjadi nilai 80 dan nilai saya yang 80 menjadi nilai 90. Itu adalah mata pelajaran IPA tuh. Jadi selama proses belajar online ini akhirnya kekejar juga nilai saya. Itu in part sangat besar karena bimbingan Sir Jasper dan QPC. Setiap malam kami belajar bersama untuk mempersiapkan diri untuk esok pagi belajar online. Jadi nilainya aman selama belajar online ini di QPC. Semuanya aman dan bahkan lebih meningkat kalau di kasus saya. Sekian dari saya, terima kasih. Salam pelajar.
Okay, everyone, I want to explain again about setting. But today I want to explain settings for 3 sets. Okay, let's say we have 3 sets: set A, set B, and set C. And this one is the symbol of universal set. Okay, now we're going to set A intersection B union to A intersection C. I want to emphasize that union means all settings included, even one setting. Once again, union means all settings included, even one setting only. Okay, so now we go to the Venn diagram. The first step is to find A intersection B. So A intersection B, this is one. A intersection B, this one. A intersection B, this one. Direct one. Okay, and then A intersection C. A intersection C, this one. Okay, once again, A intersection C is this one. A intersection C is this one. Now, the question is A intersection B union to A intersection C. So what is the final answer? So based on the description and settings on the Venn diagram, we find that one setting, but here is double setting. Once again, one setting, is one double setting. Once again, one setting, but this one is double setting. We may begin to the definition of union. Union means all the elements will be combined. Okay, we have to combine all the elements. So union in setting means all settings included, even one setting. Once again, union means all settings included, even one setting only. So you have to include all the settings, even only one setting. So the final answer based on the Venn diagram and based on the settings in set ABC, so A intersection B union A intersection C is this one. Okay. So this is the final answer. Okay, the final answer for A intersection B union A intersection C, this one, the red one, the red area. Thank you. Okay, I want to give you more samples how to set Venn diagram. Look at Venn diagram on my whiteboard. Yeah, this one is set A, this one set B, and this one set C. And then now we are going to say A union B complement intersection C. A union B complement intersection C. A union B is this one. This one A, this one B, right? But complement. So it means out of A union B, this is the area. Okay, this is the area of A union B complement. A union B complement. So the red area is A union B complement. Now the C. This one is set C. A union B complement intersected to set C. Now we're going to set C. We're going to set C. This one C. Okay. Look at the diagram. Find the double setting. Okay. Intersection means find the double settings. Find the double settings. So based on the diagram, we can find the final answer. So the area of A union B complement intersection C is this one. The double setting only. Okay, this is the area of A union B complement intersection C. Now you're going to find the final answer. So the answer is this one. Okay, this is the area of A union B complement intersection to C. Okay, hopefully it's clear.